Hello once again. I want to show you how you can serve just a few traffic exchanges and be seen on over 1,000 sources, and have your ads be seen by a larger audience. It's quite simply they are called co-ops, and you can do good things with co-ops. So the the co-op that works for me is called Harvest Traffic. Once you are signed up to it, log in and take your co-op link. So I'm gonna put it in Hungry for Hits. Okay, go to advertising, my hands, websites. Here, I'm just gonna put it in and leave the name Harvest Traffic. Add it. Okay. Okay. Let's give it 1,000 credits. Okay, so yesterday I showed you a way you can serve multiple traffic changes at the same time. Uh, you can test those traffic changes in the full game. You can test them if they bring you results, but if you don't see satisfying results, what you can do is use co-op. As you can see, these are 7 traffic changes. They are most popular, so people serve them a lot, and it's very important because you want to move your traffic on to earn credits at the Harvest Traffic Co-op. I have 60,000 credits at the Harvest Traffic Co-op, and you can simply build up an ad like this. These are ads, and you can block source. If you know traffic change that doesn't work for you, you can simply block them. I have several traffic changes that I have set a block on, and you can also check the stats of them, and you can see from where do you receive the most traffic. Okay, so all time. As you can see, there are so many sources I'm receiving traffic from just by serving about 10-15 traffic changes that I serve daily. I serve about 10-15 traffic changes a day. You can see 490 hits from traffic exchange OVH. There is still traffic I'm receiving. I receive traffic from Sub Sanctuary, and I never served in those places. And this will open up a way for you to just thinking about how to get more credits at the Harvest Traffic Co-op, so you don't have to work that much. For example, there are traffic changes that give you 1-to-1 serve ratio, like Easy Hits for You, or Traffic G, or free advertising. There's a couple sites that give you 1 credit ratio, and you can also upgrade at traffic changes using the full game gold, and you can add free upgrades and therefore increase your traffic flow even further, which is important because to me I get a lead after 2,200 credits are spent. So that means I have to put in quite a lot of work, but I will show you a way you can teamwork with me and earn credits faster than ever before with my help. Thank you very much, and I see you tomorrow.